Sure I can hear everyone and everyone can hear me. So I see somebody on the computer named Samantha Smith. I believe this is tenant. Miss Smith, can you hear me?
Yes, I can. Good morning. How are you?
Good morning. I'm well. How are you?
Can you hear me?
I can hear you. Can you hear me?
I'm good. I can't hear you like that. Hold on. Let me move around in the house.
Yeah, it seems like your internet might be slow. Okay, while the tenant figures out the internet. Hi, can you hear me?
Yes.
Beautiful. I have the landlord on the phone with Miss Madeira. Claretta Banbury. Miss Banbury, are you able to hear me?
I do.
Okay, so both parties can hear me, so I'm gonna go ahead and get started. How I do that is I gotta read you something that I read to every hearing. So I'm gonna do that. Bear with me while I do it. When I'm done, I'm gonna hand the case over to Miss Madeira. She's gonna get your names and spellings and good morning. Welcome to the Philadelphia Fair Housing Commission. My name is Ali D. Medeiros. I am the attorney for the Fair Housing Commission. Um, Also present here today from the Fair Housing Commission staff is Miss Brenda Madeira. She's your case manager. You'll also see Miss Monica Gonzalez on the screen. She runs our Zoom hearings for us. Before the hearing, I am required to go over a few things with you. First, you are being recorded. We record all our hearings. By remaining online and participating in the hearing, you are consenting to be recorded. Our Zoom hearings has the same force and effect as if we were in person. The only difference is on Zoom, we do not have a court reporter. In the event either party wants to appeal a final order of this commission, you can reach out to me or Miss Madeira and we will get you a copy of the video recording. Please be mindful of what you're saying and doing because it is being recorded. Second, at 9 o'clock this morning, the commissioners and myself, the attorney, met in a private executive session to discuss the day's cases. We do that on every hearing day with every case. Third, the parties had the opportunity to submit documents. I have the submitted documents saved on my computer and can share them with everyone on the screen. Please keep in mind that the commission generally only reviews the very basic documents in a case prior to a hearing. If you would like a document reviewed by the commission, please reference it by name, date, or description so that I can post it on the screen for everyone to look at the same time. Lastly, during the course of today's hearing, it might be necessary for the commissioners to speak privately to make decisions in this matter. If they need to do that, they'll invite you to join separate rooms divided by party called breakout rooms. A prompt will come on your screen at the appropriate moment asking you if you would like to join a breakout room. We will direct you to click join when you see that prompt. Once in the breakout room, please remain in the room. We will never end a hearing when you are in a separate room. Please make sure you're back in this main room and that a commissioner or staff member dismisses you before you log off or hang up. Thank you very much for listening. With that, I'm going to hand the case over to Miss Madeira. Thank you.
Thank you. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the Fair Housing Commission. This is the case of Samantha Smith versus Claretta Banbury. This is our first hearing. This is docket number 2024-10-09-18883. At this time, beginning with the tenant, I would ask you to please state your name and spell it clearly for the recording. Ms. Smith, you are on mute.
Samantha Smith.
Can you please spell it for the recording?
Samantha. Last name Smith, Smith.
Thank you. Ms. Banbury, would you please state your name clearly and spell it for the recording?
It's Claretta Banbury, spelled Claretta. Banbury is Bamberry.
Thank you. Ali, do you want to take it from here? Or continue?
Yeah, I'll go ahead and we have a request for a continuance of this hearing from the landlord. So, commissioners?
Can we, for the record, can we just state the address that we're here for?
Ms. Smith, would you please state your address where you're residing, please?
Yeah. You want me to talk?
Yes.
What's the address that we're here for?
4536 North 15th Street.
And is
Philadelphia.
House or an apartment?
Is a house. Is a house, but it's broken down into rooms.
Okay, and are you presently living there?
No, I'm not. When I got arrested, she threw my things outside. When I got arrested, she evicted me from the room. I got text messages and all that telling her I self-evict myself when I got arrested. And I have pictures, I have a lot of things, but I'm trying to download the other Zoom on my phone because I'm using
Okay,
a tablet. But I have more stuff, but she illegally evicted me
okay,
when I got arrested.
okay, thank you.
I did not. You know, you
Ms.
can-
Banbury, you can't speak out of order, please. Thank you.
So, I would confirm with the landlord whether or not tenants' possessions were removed from the property and whether or not there was a court filing.
No, she never took me to court.
No,
Ms. Smith,
okay, thank you,
we're
ma'am.
not, that question is imposed to you.
Ms.
Oh, okay.
Banbury,
There
did,
was a criminal court order stating she could not come back to that residence, her or her boyfriend.
okay, do you have a copy of that order?
I can get it for you. My attorney will have everything that is needed. I wanted to request a continuance because I need time to get the money together to hire my attorney,
Mhm.
and I don't have it.
Okay, Ms. Smith, so your landlord's requesting another hearing date. Do you agree or oppose that?
I don't agree with that
Okay,
because I don't agree with that only while she's trying to do all that because she knows she was in the wrong. Um, she put me through hell living in there. She put me out and I never got my security deposit back. She had came there and took the brackets off the stove, knowing I had my daughter living
okay,
there.
ma'am, so we're just talking about the continuance. So your reason for not agreeing to the continuance is because you believe she's doing it to avoid the case?
Yes.
Okay. Anything else on just the continuance, not the facts of the case?
um, well, I don't know how this go, but I have a lot of proof. I had proof before and I got more now. But I don't agree with her trying to continue because the stay away order was for the tenant and the property. What she's going to do, that didn't have nothing to do with her. I was having a problem with the tenant and the building, and she came to court on me with the tenant. It didn't have nothing to do with
Okay.
her.
Okay,
That's what she's talking about.
sure.
The stay
So-
away order.
So at this point, the commission's gonna take a recess to talk about whether or not to give this another hearing date. And we're gonna do that. We're gonna open breakout rooms at this point. You should click join when you see that prompt.
Thank you.
Ms. Banbury, I'm gonna mute you, okay? So while the commissioners are having a discussion, okay? So just go on mute. Do not hang up, please. Thank you.
I'm here.
Okay. Okay, we're good.
One moment, just while the tenant,
Still on.
yeah, I think her internet is slow, is why I'm gonna put her in the waiting room. Okay. Okay, I see Ms. Smith is back. Ms. Smith, can you hear me? Ms. Smith, I believe you're back in the room. If you're able to hear me, can you please let me know?
She's muted.
Okay. Ms. Smith, can you hear me? Can you unmute? Cool. Are you in?
Yes.
Okay,
Let,
go ahead, Commissioner.
let the record show all parties are back. And Ms. Smith, can you hear her?
Yes, I can hear you.
And Ms. Banbury?
Yes, I'm here.
Okay. The commission will grant the continuance. We do need a copy of the stay away order. That should be sent directly to Ms. Madeira. And the new date for the hearing will be March 18th at 9 a.m.
It's going in and out.
Oh, I think she's paused.
Yeah, I think there's some lag. So landlords to provide a copy of the stay away order. Tenant,
Oh,
this
it's
is
going
getting
in and out. I
continued
can't
March
hear.
2025 at 9 a.m. Are you able to hear me, Ms. Smith?
Yes, it was going in and out. I couldn't hear anything.
Okay, so this one, they're granting the continuance so the landlord can get an attorney. The next date is March 18th.
But the stay away order, the
And
stay
then-
away order didn't have nothing. She still
Ms. Smith?
shouldn't have.
Ms. Smith, we're asking the landlord to provide us with a copy of the stay away order.
But the stay away order not in her for her. It wasn't for her.
So we need a copy of it
We-
to see that, ma'am. Okay?
I have a copy of it in here somewhere.
Okay, well, you can provide it too. Okay, so if there are no other questions, we're gonna go ahead and end this hearing.
Okay, so what I'm supposed to do about my security deposit and all that stuff?
You
That
should
she
contact an attorney for legal advice on what to do about your security deposit. Ms. Madeira can give you the name of some agencies if you want to try and get one for free or very cheap. Okay,
okay.
all right. At this point, we're gonna go ahead and conclude the hearing, okay?
Ms. Bamberry, I'm gonna hang up now. Did you hear what was stated, right? Your continuance was granted, okay, for March 18th. And you must send a copy of that, notice today, okay? To me. All right, I'm gonna hang up now. Thank you. All right, bye-bye.